This is just a few minutes till totality, maybe 3 minutes. I'm not sure why it's not darkening. We should be 1 minute till totality. Ouch! I don't know how well you can see it through this 14 lens. It doesn't have enough light to turn it on, really. Oh, there you go. Ouch. It's very dark. Almost there. Almost. Not sure why this isn't showing it. Maybe it's still too bright. Let me try getting its bearings again. Jeez. Should be near totality. Huh. Anyway, here we go. See how dark it is? It says we should be at totality by now at this location. But there are too many stinking clouds. Or I damaged my camera while welding one time. Oh, here we go. If I can get this stupid thing to fire off. Let me try turning it. No, I thought maybe it'd come out of phase. I don't think we're experiencing enough totality here. Ouch. But it's very dark. Try and get it through the welding camera, or welding lens. There you go. Let me try turning this down and back. Oh, this is a solar powered thing. No wonder it's not going to work. Well, it's starting to come out of phase. I tried, folks. Well, I tried. It didn't really cover the sun completely. I'm sorry. But it's pretty neat seeing the sun disappear. Here we go. Well, I tried.